For some reason, I want to make a vanilla amberwood candle. I just make one and stop acting like I'm about to large batch it. Icky. This matte white jar. That's what we're gonna use to do this, right? But here's the kicker. We're gonna use vanilla amberwood. So I was like, their vanilla candle scent, amber noir, and sandalwood. That's just what came to mind. Because someone mentioned this somewhere. Oh, I was watching Chandler Alexis's vlog. I love Chandler Alexis. And her boyfriend, they're in the UK. That's why I've been thinking of that accent. I was like, why have I been thinking of like a UK accent? It's because I'm watching Chandler Alexis vlogs. But her boyfriend found a vanilla amberwood, like amberwood candle at one of their shops, because they call it shops over there. And yeah, so he had found it, and then yeah, he found that, so it was in my mind to do like a vanilla amberwood. So I have an iced vanilla woodlands and an amber noir, so I'm gonna do these two together in a wooden wick candle, and I think I'm gonna double wick it because I always do that. Exciting. Guys, I literally wear short coffin nails typically, and I decided to, no, I wear short almond, really. And I decided to wear these very long coffins, and why do they fit in gloves better? Like, maybe it's because of the flat rectangular stretch of it, you know, like a square or a rectangle instead of a knife, so it's not like a knife. I thought for sure this wouldn't work, but they work perfect. Perfect. So you guys have changed my life when it comes to label removal. Oh my god. Like, I used to olive oil, coconut oil, pray about my label removal. Now all you do is heat gun. I'm so hungry, guys. After we make this candle, I am eating my lunch. Honestly, I could have had it now. It's 1, but I was like, let me just make the candle first. The longer I wait, the better. And then honestly, when I get hungry, it's usually thirst. Yep, every time. Been a better man. I just wanted to talk to the person who created the kit lens for the Canon M50, but what the fuck? Why is it like this? Like, why did you choose this? Alright. And guys, if you're wondering, because I know it's like a thing, I literally stopped checking comments. I don't check comments anymore because I hate hearing people's opinions and thoughts. I'm like tone deaf. I'm done. So if you say anything, it's not getting read. Like, I wonder if other YouTubers do that. Because I was just thinking, like, fuck it for now. Like, fuck that right now. Everybody always has something to say. And I'm just like, why don't you ever like say something, you know, to build someone up? Why does it always have to be a reflection of your interpretation of what they're doing? Why can't it just be like a way to help them grow? Why does it always have to be a way to project your insecurities on the person you're watching? Like, I have found myself wanting to do that and not doing it. Like, I was like introduced to bodybuilding by this guy. Well, really my dad, but he like this guy reintroduced me to it. Yeah, because I found this girl, and what really pisses me off about her is that you could tell she's skinny naturally, but then her genetics are like, if she were to gain weight, she'd just be like her body frame wouldn't look so good. But she's taking drugs to make herself look strong. So her arms are like skinny, but then she has like these capped off shoulders. It looks so ugly to me. And I always want to say something, but in my mind I'm like, that is not productive commentary. Like, people can't help their genetics, so I don't say anything. And I wish you guys would just follow in my footsteps. If you don't have anything productive to say, don't say it. It just crossed my mind. Every time I watch her, like I literally had to unsubscribe because I hated watching her force it. You know, fitness is something that it's beautiful. But for some reason, it seems like the bodybuilding industry, they force it. They force it. So right now, I'm just adding wicks in, fighting for my life. But I don't like the way they do that. I don't like the way they like... Sometimes I'm just chatting, you guys. But I'm about to mix up, make me a candle, because candle making makes me happy. I'm gonna do a success video too very soon, because I saw like that. I knew the last video I posted was sad, and I knew if you create a sad video, people are gonna watch it. And right now, YouTube cost per mil, which is like CPMs, which is like money from advertisers, is high. So I knew like if I post something where a lot of people are gonna watch it, then I will make more money this month. And I work full time for myself. So I was like, let me just post challenges, right? And people on the internet are ignorant. So it's fine. It is what it is. People look at that video and say, oh my God, she's just pitiful, miserable. I feel so bad for her. I want to just keep watching. I love sad stuff. I love drama, right? When you say exposing or revealing, or you say challenging or struggle, that's more clicks. So if you say something like, I'm doing great, everything's going great, everybody doesn't care. Like everybody's like, okay, well, or they're jealous, so they definitely don't want to watch you then. So I knew this was a good idea, and I'm proud of myself. That's all I'm trying to say. It's just like when I was like quitting YouTube or quitting Canva. And I don't know, I agree with a lot of stuff I said though about the facts. Like the more people purchase from me, or the more people who watch me, follow me on social media, the worse. Because I'm trying to sell my products, and if all you're trying to do is learn how to sell your own products from me, use me, then I'm not learning. Like, so sometimes I have to clickbait, because if all of my audience is just watching me and not purchasing from me, I have to have the people watching me still help me earn revenue, because I'm a small time entrepreneur. Damn. That girl can't make a candle because I was stirring with no fragrance. But why did I still smell it? I still smell it. I swear to God, I smell it. I was about to say that girl can make a candle, but it won't even in there. No. This scent is giving Bath and Body Works. Oh, the sun is coming out! Yay! My sunshine. Oh my God. Oh shit. Ice Vanilla Woodland. So I'm thinking I have like a faulty spout because it drips, and that's so fucking irritating. But let's pour it. Okay, so we're in Canva. I definitely recommend getting the paid version. It's like $15 a month, because if not, they will try you and be like, oh, you have not enough storage, and they limit your pictures. They hate on us. I think I have an affiliate link. If so, I'll give it to you guys. But I'm going to do a custom size. So the labels I do for my white aura jars are 3x3s. So that's what we're doing here. 3x3. Create that design. And then just from there, I just like to start with my text. So obviously it'll be different for you, but I put in my brand and then the candle name. And this is, I didn't know it was common, but I like to use the Brittany font. But it's common in the industry, so if you want to use it, it'll look very familiar. And then I put details. And then we're going to do a photo from Canva. I like to just find something. Like, this is what I like to do, guys. Like, I'll go like this, right? One or this one. Pretty much in love with this one. So we're going with this one. I always like to change it to edit one and then go in and delete whatever project I was working on. And then I just opened the document. So I exported this as a PNG, by the way, and put it in the corner. So this is how it's going to print in alignment. If it's in this corner and you just expand it, boom, baby. That's all they wanted you to do. So now we're just going to select print, get the PDF, save the project, save it to your account. Got it. I'll never understand why Avery has so many saving parts. That's irritating. And then you print. And the best way to get it to not overline is to change your media type to photo glossy. There you have it, folks. Here's my vanilla amberwood winter candle. It smells good already. It's very masculine. Like ice vanilla woods plus amber noir is crazy. So I'm super excited. If you want my recipe, I'll put it on Patreon for you guys to have access to it. And yeah, I hope this video was helpful. Hope you learned how to make a candle label or got some ideas for your own business in terms of the importance of launching a new product. I want to emphasize it's very important to launch a new product on Black Friday. Oftentimes people come for new and they come for sales. So I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day, your week, your next hour. Just living your purpose and love life. Okay, bye.